friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your font style or your font family in your notepad. So go ahead and open up your notepad, and as you can see I have my notepad open here, and I'm gonna just say hello to you guys, right? So hello, and as you can see it is currently having a basic font. I don't even know what this style is right now, but once you're inside here guys, you want to go ahead and click the settings on the upper right hand side. So just below the exit you will see the settings button, so click on that, and here you will see on the text formatting font, right, or font rather. So you can click this little drop down here and you have the font family, and you also have the style. So the font style that I'm currently using is regular, right? So you can always choose that to whatever you want, but the font family you can always click on that and you can change whatever you want. So I know something that is pretty interesting. So for example, the Comic Sans MS, you can change that and you can always choose how you want it, if you want it bold or whatever. So let's choose bold so that we can see how it looks. You can always change the size as well, so you can easily go ahead and choose. For example, I will choose 20, so it's very big. So have a look at that. So it's very easy to see. Now if I go back, because I know have the settings already set up here, as you see here now, you can go here and you can see that it now changes. So hello guys, and you can see that the font size, style, and everything change within my notepad. So guys, if you're looking for a way how to change your font in notepad, this is how you do it. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.